baweng yaka kerteng jongka jela balatho hakabos sau phopra kenta penlong daka jingpa khangshnong Manipur Imphal Valley ban persha halor kateka jing pendam.
Today, with the people of Manipur, has earnestly demand an apology from the governor of Manipur for allowing his administration to delete the name of the state from the state bus.
Kajing pakhang shnong kabasau phopra kenta habaro kawai kajela kabalakot daka seng meite coordinating committee Manipur integrity kum kajing persha ya kajing wengno ya ka kerteng jong kajela nakawai kabos sarkar kalakta ya kajing im kabaman kasi hakeleng ki pratli ki district jong ka Imphal Valley baro ki jaka trekam ki jaka pule bat ki office sarkar bat ki riwsimet ki lakhang bat ki kalipajba kidang sakut haki suro hawang kei kurai kongba ha Imphal East District batha kwa keitel norem thong ha Imphal West District kinong kersan pakhang kilami syasurak ban penbor yaka jingkhang kerdap bat kilak kerpat yakino kino kiriu shimet ki badon sabar jong ki yeng kisem bakin wan phaibyang kani ka jing pakhang basau phau prakenta kelas dang nadu ka siteng mit jong ka sngi palang kinong kersan pakhang kila thangru ya ki tendong kali hasurok hanorem tong kwa keitel hurai bat wangkai hanong ba jong ka jela ha Imphal bat lapen klanba ya ka jing pahara hakeleng ka Imphal banyada nakano kono ka jingja ka basngosi ka sarkar Manipur minin kasni kala hukum ban tokit halor ka jingkeno bakibor pahara kila penbor bantap ya ka kerteng jong ka jela hakabos kabakit ya kinong thok khobor syaka tamasa shirui lili lakno bakibor pahra kila pensange ya ka bos kabala penyaj ta ka sarkar hakabaki nong thok khobor kila syakit ban lai thok khobor halor ka tamasa jong kai perthai ha Ukhrul district hakasngi balang bat kila penbor ya kinong trei ka Directorate of Information and Public Relations bantap ya ka kerteng jong ka jela ka sarkar kala thau ya ka komiti ban tokit kabadon arngut kitkot bat laong bakan sab bisharnya ya ki jingsha bat ki jingja ki bayadai bat ki bor pahra bat ka Manipur State Road Transport Bus kabakit ya ki nong thok khobor katkum ka hukum balap penmi dakatenat kampo yeng ka jela ka komiti kan pej ya ki jing pekala ladadon bat kan ai jingmut ya kilat kilenti baniada naka jingjiab yang jengkum kani hakipor bansawan kalaong labtha ya kanika komiti kabak kentup ya komisioner N Ashok Kumar bat sekretari UTH Kiran Kumar Singh bakin IT ya ka khaipoj jongki hapo khatsanski lab benrap syusyu karai ban wengno ya ka kerteng Manipur nakabos jongka jelahi kalong kabab persya ya ka Manipur bat ya ka history bat ya ka culture jongka ong ukharai jam athoba unong penyaj jongka COMI kipajba ka Manipur kiladawa bantip hapo kabor jongno lasim iya kani karai badai ban pensai pajba hapo kisau phopra kenta ulap benrap.
The committee's meeting held today. The Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity COCOMI today with the people of Manipur has earnestly demand an apology from the governor of Manipur for allowing his administration to delete the name of the state from the state bus, and we also seek immediate resignation of the responsible top officials of the state who are under the governor's administration, that is the security advisor, the Director General of Police DGP, and the Chief Secretary of the state, because they are responsible for all this decision that has undermined the identity of the state of Manipur, the name of the state, and its pride and respect that deserves the honor and due respect to the name of the state. Therefore, in condemnation and in protest against such a very irresponsible and anti-state decision taken by the state government, the Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity has immediately called upon a 48 hours general strike starting from today's midnight until the next 48 hours